Hello everyone, I am making this video to show you that I bought my microphone. So yeah, I don't know why I bought one. I had the money and it's relatively not that expensive compared to the other ones. And I like making videos every now and then, so I decided to pick it up and I wanted to unbox it in front of you. So I haven't opened it yet. I just got it like less than 3 minutes ago. So you open it and then you pull it out. Okay, I'm assuming this is where the microphone mainly is. Oh, that's cool. It's like holding it. And that's all in there. So it comes in this like, wow. That looks really good. Yeah, and it's, oh wow, this is cool. Yeah, okay, now I don't regret buying it. Because previously I was a little like, why did I do this? Like, I don't even record that often, so. But no, I wanted it. It's nice. Like, even if I don't record, I do Skype with my friends a lot, and my hair is a mess. But yeah, I just wanted it. I wanted to try it. So this is a little stand it comes with compared to my hand. It's not that big. I have pretty small hands though, so let's see. So it's just a tripod stand that opens up like this. I'm sure you've all seen it. And you just screw it into the bottom of the microphone. So that's what I'm about to do. What way though? I'm assuming. Come on. Yep, there we go. Yes, FAFSA, in case anybody says anything. I'm broke, okay? We don't need to talk about that. So yeah, you just screw it all the way down, and you have your mic all set up. And then, ooh, that noise is so... But yeah, this is it. This is the microphone. You can, like, adjust how it's oriented. Sorry, my video died. But as I was saying, yeah, you can change the way it's like facing. It doesn't sound like you should, but you can. It's definitely supposed to do this. And you can kind of this way, not really though. It's whatever. So yeah, and then there's the wire. So let's see. You just, hello. I just made a mess everywhere. Comes wrapped up really nicely. Why am I so bright? Hello. Yeah. And then it's pretty long, so don't worry about that. It's like way more than my arm span, which is pretty long. So you plug it into the back here like this. It is just a micro USB cable, so if you have one, you can use that one instead. And I have a MacBook Pro, so I have to use this little tiny, why is it not focusing? USB Type-C to USB Type-B adapter to use it. So let's plug it in. Hello, reminder. Okay. Oh no. My life is a mess. Okay. It's plugged in. It shows this little red light to signify that it's on. Do I have to do anything? I'm assuming here. Hi. Okay. Let's see. So I have a microphone and okay, so it's not on right now. So I'm assuming I have to change. Okay. start recording. Okay, so, hey, look. I tap the microphone, nothing's happening. Why is it muted? Yeah. But yeah, I'm really excited. I finally have a blue snowball. I feel like that's like extremely loud and I shouldn't be able to touch it. Typically what I do is I record on my iPhone 10, which is recording me right now, and I use that for my audio. I do it on voice memos, but now that I have an actual microphone, I can use it instead, right? And it should sound better, and I am going to be doing an audio test just right now. So, okay, let's see. This is going to be with the Blue Yeti. Not Blue Yeti, that's the one I wanted, but I'm broke. So, no. I will be doing an audio test with the blue snowball. This is how I would regularly talk during a video. So I'd be like, oh my god, this dude just used Weaver while I was gonna hit. I don't know. But yeah, and then this is with the iPhone 10, and it probably sounds like I'm a lot farther away, and it's just not as good, hopefully. It might be also a little more quiet because it is this distance, like an arm's reach away, while the blue snowball is directly in front of me. So yeah. Also, now I'm going to be doing, I don't know what that's on then. I don't know if there's a difference, but yeah, if I just have to touch or move the mic, I want to know if it makes a lot of noise. So, Wizard101 just finished loading. Let's see. Also, if anybody can help me, I use a Mac to play Wizard101, and let's mute it. Okay, and it does not record game audio. OBS does not. And when I put in earbuds, like AirPods, I can't. I don't know. It's like Wizard101 is playing its audio through like a completely different channel. I don't know. I should probably try to figure that out. So, let's play with game audio. I'm interested because the blue snowball has only a front mic, so the back picks up minimal to no sound, while the iPhone 10 is just, it's a microphone and it's on the side, so it picks up like all over the place. And I'm interested in seeing what it sounds like on the Blue Yeti versus on the iPhone 10. So, right now, we have a double garden XP. This is the day after, like, I went to sleep and I woke up from my last video, which was just the birth quest, like getting the anniversary statue. So, I'm gonna log back in for the second time today, technically, but really first, because I just woke up. So, yeah. And I'm gonna go and feed my plants. And by feed, I mean, like, give them water and music and whatever Wizard101 plants needs. It's gonna be so loud, but I'm gonna be switching between the iPhone 10 and the Blue Yeti and putting on screen which one is displaying sound, and hopefully it won't kill my speakers. And I will also be talking throughout the entire time just to see if like the game cuts me off. On the iPhone 10 it's probably gonna be really bad. On the Blue Yeti it's probably gonna be pretty bad too, like especially during the spells, but I'm hoping that since it only has one microphone up at the front and not the back, it won't pick up as much. And I'm also hoping that that is definitely going to be the case with the fan, because the fan doesn't make a lot of noise, and the only reason my phone could pick up on it was because it doesn't have just one microphone up in the front, which is just so good and so handy to have. Let's see. These are currently, like, not very close to Elder at all. I don't know. I don't want to jump into a PvP match because I know I'm going to get destroyed. My deck is gone. Okay. Let's look. Do I have this set up, and I'm not even sure if I used it for PvP. Yeah, this is the one I used for PvP. Should I just go for a match? Probably not. Probably my rank can't handle. Oh, yeah, I'll lose captain if I do a match, but you know, Let's go do a match. I don't care. I got a match. Let's go. Probably gonna lose. Okay, let's see. We are going up again. Third Warlord. Orin Titanblood looks like a fire. If he's not a fire, I'm gonna abracadabra because, hello, that's definitely a fire. Flex, please, please. I went first. Okay, he's also captain. So, okay, no, okay. This is fair, alright. It's completely fair. Whatever happens. Okay, well, his pet is Ultra, but we're not going to talk about that. So, I'm doing this with audio, so hopefully, like, the game... I am going to turn on the game audio. I'm worried that it's going to be way too much, and, yeah, I haven't actually looked at the previous tests I've done. That better be a set shield. That better be a set shield. I want to get rid of it. Okay. Options. So, I'm not entirely sure what to do. No, that's a bad idea. I'm going to Blizzard. I know that's probably a bad idea, but I want to get rid of that shield in case it is a set shield. Not entirely sure, but 9 out of 10, it probably is. It was. Okay. This is probably an Ifrit or a hit or some... He thought I was gonna Weaver or something, yeah. Okay, damage galore. Fun. He can Ifrit next. I have to watch out for that. If I can get a shield, I don't want to hit. And I don't... Should I bubble? I don't think that's a good idea. I think I'm going to brace. He's probably going to shield or Ifrit me or something. This is the only time I have to hit, but I don't have anything. I'm going to brace. He probably thinks I'm going to go for a Weaver, so he's going to do something defensive. Or something to get the shield off, probably. Another shield. Yeah. Okay. Weaver might have been a good idea. That's all I'm going to say. Maybe. Okay, I'm not trying to get rid of my Shadow Pip. Should I? I feel like getting rid of that stun was a bad idea. Okay. I'm gonna do it. It's a good move. I get that shield off. I get a shield on me. I have enough pips to Weaver next round. So it's all good. He's probably gonna Ifrit me, but we're not gonna talk about that. I did critical, so like the minus 48. Who? Okay, that did nothing. So, that's fun. Please tell me you went for a big hit. It wasn't a bad move, like what I did. It was safe. Now I can Weaver. So there's that. He probably thinks I'm going to, actually. I feel like... I don't have any stun blocks. That's the one thing I'm worried about. I'm in a tower. I'm really not doing good. I have to go offensive soon. I was thinking... Shield. Shrike. Okay. I can stun. I can Weaver. I have a tower shield right now. So. Should I tower again? Should I Balefrost? I don't think I'm going to Balefrost anytime soon. That was probably a bad move, but you know what? You can deal with it. I think I'm going to... Okay, I have a shield on right now. He's probably going to stun me, though. I'm going to go for it. I'm sorry. Listen, I need to stop that Shrike, okay? And if I have the shield on, it's good. Do decent damage. 1,000? Okay. If I can find some other sort of shield, that wouldn't be the... I had a Climaclysm. I'm so dumb. I'm gonna get stunned. Okay. Is that shield? Okay, I can Clima, but I think that's a horrible idea. Because I can Weaver next if I don't Clima. Okay. He should take some backlash, okay? At least. At least I get that out of this. I didn't... Oh, my brace is over. Ifrit. I still have shields. Oh. Oh no. My resist can't take this. Ow. And now I have a -90, so convenient. Cold Iron? Cold Iron. Do I have a Cold Iron? I need to get this off. Oh no. Ice Elf. Ice Elf. Dang it. He's gonna hit me again and probably get me to like 1,000 health, but then I can Weaver, so it's all good. Actually, he's probably gonna stun me. I did not think about that. GG. Okay, so you're confident. He stunned me. That's probably why. Stun resist! I don't... You really think you can do 4K through a tower? Okay. Yeah, math. Let's be honest. He has like a feint on me. Oh, yeah. He didn't critical though. He said GG. He must have done this before. I still had a tower. Okay, well, I just wanted to test out the audio. GG. So, wait. When I hit him, it looked like he had a lot of resist. So, let's see. Yeah, 70 ice resist. Okay, well, this was the audio test. Hopefully it works out fine. I will probably be doing more PvP later to get my rank back, obviously, because I lost it. But also, I do want to let you guys know, I play Minecraft. I can play Terraria. I actually enjoy Terraria, so it wouldn't be a bad idea. And if I do play Minecraft, I could make a server and let you guys on it. Terraria, probably the same thing, but also I would have to be online and host the server to do that, and I don't think that's the best idea. So, yeah, if you guys are interested in playing Minecraft with me on the server and just sharing one and, like, you know, chatting and everything like that, let me know, and I'll try to set it up if you guys are interested. Oh, he sent me a friend request. He's actually nice. See, the last time I thought somebody called me a puppeter or whatever that. Yeah. Anyways, so yeah, that's been it. Hopefully I don't need a pop filter because every pop. Anyways, yeah. So, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.